number of units sold into selling price per unit minus number of units bought or purchased multiplied by purchase price. Alpha into maximum payoff 1 minus alpha minimum payoff. Very good morning to my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Year College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand Statistics for Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 3, Session 2. We already dealt with the Session 1 about the decision making. Today, we are going to discuss about the decision making of the second session with 4 alternatives. Last time we did only 3 alternatives. Today we are going to discuss about the 3 alternatives. We move on to problem now. If a fish vendor, this is a problem, it's a very good problem from the question paper. A fish vendor who buys a fish at ₹100 per kg from wholesaler and dealer and sells at 140 per kg. This is most important. You must have a selling price and the cost price, 140 per kg. Fish unsold at the end of the day cannot be sold to the next day due to lack of cold storage. So they can't keep the goods themselves because they do not have no cold storage at all. Past experience shows that the fish vendor could be able to sell not less than 27 kgs, not more than 30 kgs. According to, so they can sell 27 kgs, 28 kgs, 29 kgs, 30 kgs. Prepare a payoff table and opportunity loss table. After showing the calculation of payoff and opportunity loss, also find out which is the best alternative course of action under the following criteria. First one, maximum, minimax, Laplace. Fourth one, new one, Hurwicz criteria when alpha is 0.5. In the last session, I already told so many times about the alternatives. First, number of units sold into selling price per unit minus number of units bought or purchased multiplied by purchase price. So how many units sold now? 27 kg at ₹140 minus 100. What's called? So 27 into 100. How to do it? First 4 stages, P11, P21. How now? 27 into 400, 27 into 400, 27 into 400, 27 into 400. In the purchase price, 27 into 100, 27 into 100, 27 into 100, 27 into 100. When you go to 28, 28 into 400, 27 into 400, then 28 into 400, 28 into 400, 28 into 400. Here, 28 into 100, 28 into 100, 28 into 100. So alternative you go. Then when you go to 29, 27, 28, 29, 29. When you go to 30, here 29, 29, 29. When you go to 30, 27, 28, 29, 30 you have to take. So we'll move on to payoff table. I will write the table now. Payoff table. Formula, number of units sold multiplied by selling price per unit minus number of units purchased into cost per unit. This is the formula. Number of units sold multiplied by selling price per unit, number of units purchased into cost per unit. This is the formula you have to remember. Now, what's the number of kgs to here given? A1 27 kgs, A2 28 kgs, A3 29 kgs, A4 30 kgs. Then S1 27 kgs, S2 28, S3 29, S4 30. Now I will write the payoff table. So when 27 kg sold, when 27 kg sold, here first number of units sold here now, first P11, how many kgs sold? 27 multiplied by 140 minus 27, your cost price is 100. That you are going to find. Then P21, 27 into 140, 27 into 100. P31, 27 into 140 minus 27 into 100. P41, 4 stages, 27 into 140, 27 into 100. This you have to write in the first 27, 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 27 into 140, 27 into 140, 3780 minus 27 into 100, 2700, deduct 3780 minus 2700, 1080. Same number, 1080. Same number, 1080. Same number, 1080. So this goes to when 27 kgs are sold. Now, when 28 kgs sold, P12, right, 27 into 140 minus 28 into 100. Second, P22, 28 into 140 minus 28 into 100. Carefully you have to do it. P20, then we'll go to next one. P23, 28 into 140 minus 28 into 100. P33, 28 into 140 minus 28 into 100. Have it now. 27 into 140, 3780 minus 2800. Deduct 3780 minus 2800. 980. Here 28 into 140. 28 into 140. 3,920 minus 2,800 minus 2,800, 1,120. Next also 1,120. Next also 1,120. Then how much over now? 27 over, 28 over. When 29 kg sold, P13, first one, 27 into 140 minus 29 into 100. P23, 28 into 140 minus 29 into 100. Next, P33. It's all go with the rotation system. Careful. Now we'll come back to 29 into 140. 29 into 100. P43. 29 into 140. 29 into 100. 27 into 140. 27 into 140. 3,780 minus 2,900. 28 into 140. 3,920 minus 2,900. Then 29 into 140, 4,060 minus 2,900. Last one same, 4,060, 2,900. Last one, when 30 kg sold, when 30 kg sold, P14, 27 into 140 minus 30 into 100. P24, 28 into 140. Rotation system, we must be very careful here. 30 into 100. Then P34, 29 into 140 minus 30 into 100. Last one, P44, 30 into 140 minus 30 into 100. Go. 27 into 140, 3,780 minus 30 into 1, 28 into 140, 3,920 minus 3,000. 29 into 140, 4,060 minus 3000. 30 into 140, 4200 minus 3000. It is 780, 920, 4060 minus 3000, 1060, 1200. So this goes to 30 kgs. This should be put in a table now. P of table. Here S1, S2, S3, S4. Alternatives A1, A2, A3, A4. Alternatives. You write it now. First one. When 27 kgs, 1080, all 1080. This is the answer of A1. Then A2, 27 kgs over 28 kgs, 780, 920, 1060, 1200. Then A3, 29 kgs. Sorry, 28 kgs, 980, then 1120. Write it here. What's A2? This is your A1, A2. 980, 980, then 1120, and you can write. This is A3, this is A4. 1120, then 1120, 1120. Then A3, 29 kgs. This is your A3. This is your A4. A3, 2900. A3, 2900. 2000. A3, 3070. This is 29 into 1, 3000 minus 2900. This is how it will come. A3, 3780 minus 2900, 880. Then 3920 minus 2900, 1020, 4060 minus 2900, 1160, 4060 minus 2900, 1160. This goes in favor of A3. A3. What is the first one? 8080. Second one, 1020. This goes to A3. Then A4. 880, 1020, 1160, 1160. So this goes to A1, this goes to A2, this goes to A3, A1, A2, A3. Last one A4, 780, 920, 1060, 1200. So the maximum payoff first add the figure. So this is 1080 into 4, 1080 into 4, 4320, 980 plus 1120 plus 1120, 1120 into 3 plus 980, 4340, so 880 plus 1020 plus 1160 plus 1160, 4220, then 780 plus 920 plus 1060 plus 1200, 3960. The maximum payoff A1 1080, A2 highest is 1120, A3 1160, A4 1200. So the maximum A1, A2, A3, among them which is the highest one? 1200. Maximum payoff 1200. Therefore, A4 is the best act. See that? You have to make this know. Which is the highest one? 1080 highest one, 1120 highest one, 1160 highest one, 1200 highest one. Among them, whichever the highest, 1200 belongs to A4. Maximum payoff is 1200. Therefore, A4 is the best act. A4 is the best act. Now, a loss table has to be arranged. Now, this is one method. Then Laplace method, which is how many alternatives are 4? 4320 divided by 4. This belongs to A1, A2, 4340 divided by 4, A3, 1160 divided by 4, A4, 3096, A3, 4220 divided by 4, A4, 3960, divided by 4. 1 by 1, 4003 A1, 4320 divided by 4, 1080, 4340 divided by 4, 1085, A3, 4220 divided by 4, 1055, A4, 3960 divided by 4, 990. So among them, whichever is highest, see that 1080, 1085, 1055, 990, which is the highest one? 1080. A2 is the best act. Now, you have to prepare regret table. Or opportunity loss table. So S1, S2, S3, S4, A1, A2, A3, A4. Now, see that in the row wise, which is the highest one? 1080. Put the 1080 as 0. Deduct 1080 minus 980. 1080 minus 980. 100. 100. Then 1080 minus 880. 1080 minus 880, 200. So 1080 minus 780, 300. Come back to second row. Which is the highest one here? 1120. Put at 0. 1120 minus 1080. 1120 minus 1080. 40. 0. A3. 1020. So 1120 minus 1020, 100. Last one, 1120 minus 920, 200. Then third one here. Which is the highest one? Once again, 1160 is the highest one. So 1160 minus 1080 is equal to 80. Then second one, 1160 minus 1120, 1160 minus 1120, 40. This is 0. Last one, 1160 minus 1060, 100. Last one. Highest is 1200 is first one. 1200 minus 1080. 1200 minus 1080. 120. Next one. 1200. 1200 minus 1120. 80. This is 0. Next, 1200 minus 1160. 40. So, maximum, minimax. Among the maximum, find out. Maximum A1 120, A2 100, A3 200, A4 300. So among them, which is the minimum one? A2. Minimum is A2. Is the best act. A2 is the best act. Last one, Hurwicz method. Alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff. A1. Alpha into maximum payoff, 1 minus alpha minimum payoff. A1. You go with it. Here now, maximum payoff 1080. A1, we'll go with the A1. A1. Maximum, if you go with a row wise, which is the maximum payoff 1080 into your alpha is 0.5. I'll take row as a base here, or we can take this also. We can take this also. We can take this also. I have taken this as a base 1080 here now. I have taken the row column as a base, row as a base, So you got alpha is equal to 0. Into what's your maximum payoff? 1080 plus 1 minus 0.5 into what's the minimum payoff? 780. I took row as a base. So 0.5 into 1080, 0.5 into 1080 plus 0.5 into 780. So this is equal to 0.5 into 1000, 0.5 into 1080, 540 minus 0.5 into 780, 390. So 540 minus 390, 150. I took row as a base, A2, 0.5 What's the maximum payoff? 1080 plus 0.5. What's the minimum payoff in that roll? 920. So this is 540 minus 920 into 5. 460. Deduct 540 minus 460, 80, A3, 0.5 into 1080 plus 0.5 into that roll minimum, that roll, so maximum is 1160. Second one, here 1080, 1120. Here maximum is 1120, 1120.5, 920, that's right. Maximum 1120. So 1120 into 0.5 into 0.5, 560 minus 460 is 100. Next one, maximum third row, 1160, minimum 0.5 into your minimum is 1060, 1060. So 1160 into 0.5, 580 minus 1060 into 0.5, 530. It comes to 50. First one 150, 150, A4, 0.5 into maximum payoff 1200 plus 0.5 into minimum payoff 1080. 1200 into 0.5 is 600. 0.5 into 1080 is 540. Let's go to 60. So I took the row as a base, taking row as a base. We can take column also base. So highest is 150. A1 is the best act. Taking row as a base. I took some authors will take column as a base, but I took row as a base I have done. So you must remember this. We can take even column as a base also, but I took row as a base. So we can take the row as a base. Formula alpha into maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha into minimum payoff, taking row as a base. Hope you understand this. So we have done 4 alternatives. So in the next session also, we'll go with the 4 alternatives. So payoff table is most important. You must take into consideration that payoff table, then opportunity loss table, and find out. Hope you understand this. We'll meet in the next session with another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.